Did you know a Walmart manager risked everything to expose a multi-million-dollar theft scheme and ended up becoming a millionaire herself? Sarah worked the night shift as a department manager when she noticed something strange. The self-checkout machines were charging customers extra money for certain items. A $2 candy bar would ring up as $3. A $10 shirt became $12. At first, she thought it was a computer glitch. But after weeks of watching, she realized the truth. Company executives were stealing from customers, one small overcharge at a time. Millions of dollars were disappearing into corporate pockets. Sarah faced an impossible choice: stay quiet and keep her job, or speak up and lose everything. Her boss threatened to fire her. Company lawyers warned her about legal consequences. Her family worried about their future. But Sarah knew what was right. She secretly documented everything and contacted federal investigators. 2 years later, justice prevailed. The executives went to prison. Sarah received $4.2 million as a whistleblower reward and landed an executive position with a retail ethics company. Sometimes doing the right thing really does pay off.